Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to HOMAG Newsflash. Now, can you actually believe it is almost time for LIGNA again? And what's more, LIGNA is turning 50 this year. Believe it or not, HOMAG has been there ever since day one. So naturally, we have come up with something very special this year. With Building Living Spaces, we will be presenting everything under one roof, all the way from solid wood to building elements and timber construction to furniture. But let's hear more about it from Darko Zimbakov.
Living is one of the most important basic human needs, and modern, sustainable and affordable living spaces are built on HOMAG production solutions all over the world. Regardless of whether it is about the manufacturing of furniture, windows, doors, floorings, engineered wood or wooden houses, we have the right customized solution for every customer segment. I'm particularly excited about LIGNA 25. For the first time, we will display all our solutions in one hall at one spot and show what we at HOMAG understand by building living spaces. Looking forward to seeing you soon.
And we are all very much looking forward. So be sure to stop by the HOMAG stand. It is well worth it. And while you're at it, why not visit our Innovation Center? That is where we present our latest products in a thoroughly immersive way. Focus is set on the topic that's on everyone's lips right now, artificial intelligence. Allow us to inspire you. And let's not forget that this spectacular experience was already a highlight back in 2023. But of course, AI does not only play a central role in the futuristic worlds of the Innovation Center. HOMAG already offers solutions that make your production smarter, such as this brand new development, Predictive Diagnosis. This predictive technology warns you about problems before they even arise, saving you unnecessary trouble and costs by allowing you to keep a constant eye on the health status of your machines. Here comes Fabian Hornstein to tell us more about what AI can do for you.
Predictive Diagnosis ensures that you receive a monthly individual report with maintenance instructions for your machines. Tips on operation and thus become more efficient. Reduce wear and tear and save valuable resources. Receive an ad hoc call from HOMAG service if your machines reach a critical state. And of course, the Service Assist app is included free of charge. This provides you with a maintenance overview, suggested solutions for specific error messages, and many other functions.
Quite impressive, isn't it? But that is not all, by far not all. Since there is so much to discover at LIGNA, let's take a quick look at some of the HOMAG highlights. This year, not only is LIGNA turning 50, we also have a significant birthday of our own to celebrate. It has now been 10 years since the SAWTEQ S300 FlexTech was presented for the very first time. So here it comes, a very special happy birthday. But that is not the only highlight from the panel dividing saw range. From the smallest saw, the SAWTEQ S100, to the all-rounder S300, we have a lot to offer. The SAWTEQ S300 makes panel dividing more sustainable, safer, and more intelligent. Its extensive range of features is quite impressive, such as intuitive operation with quick tip, high cutting quality with the help of tolerance check, maximum flexibility with function plus, and these are just some of the many outstanding features. There is also exciting news in the field of edge processing. The DRILLTEQ S500 soft forming allows you to customize your edges with their own individual profile. The profile shapes range from roof and J-pull to S or insert profiles. And you benefit from the wide variety of profiles, perfect design edges, and short setup times. And then there is the Feedbot W500. With this robot, you can minimize downtimes and increase the added value of your machines. This hardworking helper gives its all when it comes to the automatic and precise positioning and fixing of sheeting materials on the framework. It can also cover a considerably large working area. We also have something for everyone who wants more efficiency in panel dividing. With the SAWTEQ F100, you can both speed up loading and reduce the workload on your employees. The fully automatic panel handling system ensures a continuous process flow. And, particularly practical, the single-axis feeder can be modularly adapted to your needs and is therefore especially impressive when it comes to space saving. And with so many highlights, if you don't know where to start, why not join us on one of our tech tours? Within only 30 minutes, we can give you an overview of HOMAG's trade fair highlights. We even offer a special tour for solid wood enthusiasts every day at LIGNA 2025. And now before we go, I do have one last highlight for you. We also have an exciting development in CNC technology with the DRILLTEQ H230, our new entry-level 6-side drilling processing center. Werner Brinkhaus, he's got all the details for us.
Overall, it's a massive and quick 6-side drilling machine, flexible, batch size 1. Doesn't matter if you're coming with a long part, the next part is a small part, and so on, without any additional setup. Really, it's a brilliant machine for all. Most of our customers, doesn't matter if they're coming from industrial area or from the smaller shops. From the machine configuration, LIGNA product, drilling head from top, drilling head from bottom. From bottom, we are using 8 spindles. From the top, we are using 13 spindles. Horizontal, 6 spindles in X, 3 from the left side, 3 from the right side. In Y direction, 2 from the front, 2 from the rear side. For the operator, here he has to start the machine. Then the operator, the machine is doing the job, is processing. The part is coming to the right station with a cross transfer. The part is coming to the front, to the operator. The operator is grabbing the part, stack it. That's it so far.
So everyone, do keep in mind to be sure not to miss out on all of this. You are gonna want to secure your ticket to LIGNA 2025 right now. Simply go to homag.com/LIGNA and join us there from the 26th to the 30th of May. You can also find the timetable for our tech tours online. And us, we very much look forward to welcoming you there. So see you soon in Hall 14. Bye for now.